How to unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook. So to do that, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go on the Facebook which you have already installed. Make sure you have installed the Facebook from the latest version because you won't miss out any features if you do so. After that, click on your profile, tap on the three horizontal dots. After tapping on three horizontal dots, scroll down and down, and now tap on edit option. Again, scroll down and tap on link option. Tap on add option. And if you have added any link here on the social link, then it will be visible right here. Since I have not added any link, I should not delete it. But if you have added, then tap on that link and then remove it and then tap on the save button, and then no link will be added on your Facebook and it will be deleted from your Facebook account. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video. Thank you.